Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Scorpio? On Monday, stating your thoughts and aspirations out loud gives them more power and can help to liberate you from stuck patterns. Focus on establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries. As you may be feeling some insecurity now, still allow yourself to be supported and recognize the power in asking for help when you need it. If something has been bothering you, look within for the strength to break free. This step of bravery will show you there is another way. While it's true the Sun and Saturn are moving through your romance sector, their squares to Neptune this week could signal a delusional disaster for you. This could be someone who is married but lies and tells you they are single. Keep your wits about you. On Tuesday, your day brings you a ton of information to process and sort through. You are trying to get organized now, managing all the thoughts that filter through your mind from moment to moment. Anchor your ideas through direct dedication or devotion to a cause, something you can work into your regular routine. Success requires more discipline from you, so write down a plan and let a healthy sense of discernment guide all that you do today. On Wednesday, a perfect tension arises that pushes you towards taking action on something you have been fearful of trying. Truly realizing your creative talents will pay off and incorporate nicely into the message you are trying to share with others. Truly realizing your creative talents will pay off and incorporate nicely into the message you are trying to share with others. There is a polarizing energy that can lead people to either love or hate what you do, but stay confident and you will get further than you anticipate. In fact, you will be surprised today by how little you care what others think of you. On Thursday, you'll probably be very busy making serious money moves this week. Interestingly enough, this will have erotic overtones that somehow manages to help you out in the love department. The smell of money can be extremely arousing and intoxicating, and it's possible you and your lover will be extra amorous because of whatever financial happenings are taking place in your life this week. Or if you're single, then it's possible you'll find yourself completely enamored with someone who has quite the stack of cash floating around. Interesting, isn't it? On Friday, love planet Venus is moving through your partnership sector, helping you and your sweetie cozy up more than usual in romantic harmony. Venus makes a sizzling link to Pluto this week, intensifying the deep and intimate bond you're already sharing. Connecting physically may turn into a spiritual experience, and it could be more gratifying than anything either one of you have known before. If you are single, you might be convinced there is hope for you through a casual acquaintance because you feel he or she is giving you vibes of interest. Unfortunately, they probably aren't. It's more likely that you've gotten your signals crossed. On Saturday, if you recently moved in with your lover, one of you could be in for a rude awakening. It's possible your habits are not compatible with one another. It's also possible you'll feel like your partner was one person before moving in with you and is now portraying themselves like a totally different person. There might also be some family problems to address with your mate that you've tried to ignore. If you're single, your prospects are kinder. A neighbor might engage you in a striking conversation that makes you realize there is much more to this person than you originally thought, and you'll be interested. On Sunday, whether you're single, dating, or totally committed, you should expect an amazing week in love. Venus is still moving through your romance sector, enhancing heart-opening possibilities for you. No matter what your relationship status is, Venus will make a dynamic link to intense Pluto on Sunday, which is in your partnership sector. A loving bond gets deeper somehow. If your lives are already intertwined through marriage or commitment, then you'll rely on the power of your love to see through something that would otherwise feel dark. If you're dating someone, then you might realize you just can't live without this person. If you're single, there is someone that doesn't just want to date you, he or she wants to completely mesh with you.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.